Show me what he's talking about.
Did you give the guy a part?
This is not in this car. You are in the wrong place. We don't sell these type of parts.
I'm telling you, brother, it should be there.
Which part he's talking about? I don't know anything. What is this can?
But we don't want anything.
The combobulator.
I'm not dealing with this part. How I can do that?
I ordered the fucking part yesterday. I want it now. I can't wait.
How I can get it? I don't know where it is available. No car is there in BMW. Nobody ordered the part. I think you are in a wrong place. You are in a wrong place.
Listen, pal. Stop being a jackass and give my son the part. You guys are
No.
scamming me. You're scammers.
What scammer? And I.
This guy scammed us, bro.
No, nobody scammed you. You are scammer.
I'm
not
a scammer.
You are a scammer because you are entering the car. I'm calling police. I'm calling police. Now forget about that. If you are not doing it, I'm calling the police. Let the police come and settle it. I'm calling police.